Hi, in this session we'll be covering uploading new documents and files to the web wizard and maintaining your existing file library. This will be for uploading things like PDFs or spreadsheets that you want visitors to your site to be able to download. First, click Media, and then File Administration. On the left we can see our folder structure where we can navigate through existing folders as well as create new ones. On the right hand side we have the option to clear the folder cache. This can be clicked in the unlikely event that you experience any issues with the file administration, such as newly uploaded files not appearing in the list. Next, there's an option to download the current folder as a zip file. And finally, an option to delete the current folder. To upload new files, click the Upload Files button and select all of the files that you wish to upload and click Open. If a file already exists with the name of the selection that you've just uploaded, you have the option to either overwrite the file or skip, and similarly overwrite or skip all. Your newly created files will appear in the list below. You can search through the current folder using the filter option here. Down in the bottom, we have the option to delete our files, rename, download the current file, and finally there's an option to copy the file path. This can be useful if you want to link to this item, such as sending it to someone in an email or linking to it using a hyperlink.